Hi, we are Yellowstone Bark here, and we travel full-time in our RV with our dog Kona. In today's episode, we're going to be sharing with you our boondocking spot and exploring Yellowstone National Park. We just got to our boondocking spot, unloaded the bike, and now we're going to take it for a ride and burn some of Kona's energy out here in the woods. Ready, buddy? Let's take it off. Good girl.
Left, buddy. Right.
She said, all gas, no brakes.
No brakes?
The last time we did this, we were in Leavenworth, were we?
Oh, with Kona?
Yeah, where we had to like basically run up a mountain and back down.
Who's the one deciding the speed?
Yep, that's true. Go, Kona, go! We're already slowing down, buddy.
It doesn't know like a viewpoint, but it knows more about the lake.
Yeah, definitely. Salt block? Wow, spoiled.
Hello. Oh, social.
Hi, you coming over? I'm gonna go pet him. Good morning, we're going to Yellowstone. Woo!
Late.
Yeah, it's 10 a.m. and we thought we were gonna get up around 8.
But Kona for longer.
Let's plan. So nice out this morning, oh my god. What a beautiful fall morning. Go, Kona, hurry up, we're going to Yellowstone.
topping us too? That's crazy.
Oh, wow. Way different than it looked last night, huh, Kona? That's really cool over there, though.
Yeah.
Because they had snow in the hills. Yesterday we stopped and got gas for the RV and right before we left Big Sky, but now we are in Yellowstone, and since we're going to be traveling around the park in the motorcycle, we decided we'd fill up really quick and grab an energy drink. Thank you. Alright, today we're going in through the west entrance, but really just going to wing it. Oh my goodness, coming into a national park this famous on a Saturday might not be the move. Actually, the lines aren't that bad. Yeah. Well, I mean, Glacier.
Better than Glacier. Glacier's backed up like 2 miles outside of the park.
Yeah.
Thank you. Did you want a map or not?
Yeah.
Can we grab a map, actually? Thank you.
I think that's the point of her asking if it's your first time here.
Oh.
She's probably trying to save paper. Wait, what is this map? It's not like the normal ones. Yellowstone! Alright, we just got to the Madison campground, kind of down where we've stayed before.
That sign.
Yeah, it says it's full. We came here to see if they have any first come, first serve campsites available, and also dump and get water, but you see the sign. So I will hop out and still ask, and Ryan's gonna go do that. It looks closed.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. I just wanted to make sure that you guys didn't have any first come, first serve.
What kind of equipment are you carrying?
We have a Class C motorhome,
How long is it?
25 feet.
Because we have had a few cancellations.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what we can do. How many nights are you hoping for?
At least one. We wanted to stay for the weekend, but if we can at least get one, that'd be great.
But if we had two, you would want two?
Yes, please.
Your timing was very good because that wasn't there about 20 minutes ago.
Yay! I was wondering if you could tell me if this part of the loop is worth doing, the upper loop?
Yes, it,
Because we've already done this part,
okay.
the lower loop.
Okay. Yeah, you've got the Mammoth Hot Springs area,
Okay.
which is interesting. There've been a lot of elk up in this area lately.
Okay, cool.
In the townside area. This drive is very nice, it's pretty. It takes you over Dunraven Pass. There isn't as much to see as there is like in this area or in this area, but it is more than what you'll get around this area.
Okay, great. Okay, that was really helpful.
You should probably know it is bear country around here. This is your site tag. Please put that in the windshield
Okay.
on the driver's side in the bottom corner.
Perfect. Thanks, Ken.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Me too. Thank you so much. Well, that was extremely lucky. Said that cancellation came up 20 minutes ago, and we just got 3 nights. Let's see what Ryan wants to do. Guess what?
You have a spot?
Yeah.
What?
Ken said there was a cancellation 20 minutes ago,
Wow.
and he said we came at a great time.
Well, that's what we get for sleeping in.
So if we want to stay for 3 nights, we can. My card's just on file, so if we want to just do 1 night or we want to do 2 nights, all I have to do is drop the little checkoff thing in the little checkout box, and we'll only get charged the nights that we stayed.
Sweet. Alright, well, we'll go park and then decide what we want to do.
So exciting.
We can go for a long
Feel
walk
so
before we leave
lucky.
now. That's awesome.
Yeah. We have obtained a camping site dump, and since it's definitely prime checkout time, it's really busy, but this is completely necessary. We need a dump. We haven't dumped in a while. And then we'll fill up on water and be able to shower again.
Yep.
Connor, Hi. Wait, I'm gonna walk Kona because we're gonna be taking the bike for a ride through Yellowstone, so we gotta burn some of our energy. Alright, come on this way. Some of these trees are pretty tight. Oh my god, and campsites. You have to squeeze through this tree and that tree. And these guys gotta slide out, so they put a cone out. Kona, that's our spot. Look how cute it is. Got our bear box right there. Picnic table. A nice fire pit. Wow. Since Rye isn't finished dumping yet and I am at our campsite, I'm going to tell you a little recap about our last visit at Yellowstone. I feel like it's important because we're not going to be hitting all of those big famous ones in Yellowstone because we've already done them, and we're going to take you along the upper part of Yellowstone that is an upper loop that we haven't done, and we're gonna explore it by the motorcycle, and we're gonna show you the entire route. Let me start off by saying we entered through the west entrance last time, and we came from the Grand Tetons National Park, and we got to see Old Faithful, and we went to the West Thumb, and we hit all of those. We saw so many bison, and it was really beautiful, and it was in the summer. It was a bit crowded, but we really enjoyed it, and it was a lot of fun. But we're excited to be here in the fall this time to experience it a little less crowded, and we're so stoked we got a campsite because we didn't want to have to do it in a day, and now we have the chance to do it tonight, maybe have a fire, and then also maybe explore tomorrow before we take off, whenever that might be, because we have 3 nights. So if we want to stay for 3 nights, we can. But we'll see what that ends up looking like, and come along with us as we explore Yellowstone. It's going to be a lot of fun, especially having Mojave and getting to take the motorcycle and explore it and feeling a little bit more limitless because we don't have to maneuver around in the RV like we did last time. 30 minutes later. Already checked the campsite out and came back. Just now got done dumping.
Some of the slowest water pressure I've ever, like, that's
Wow, really?
so long.
My God.
I made us lunch though.
I was worried. That's why I came back.
I was wondering if you were gonna.
Go, Kona.
It's not even full. We went to 2/3 and I was like, I'm gonna be here all day.
God damn. What'd you make for lunch?
PB&J's.
Nice. Well, Kona and I had a very nice walk.
Oh, you're tired? Well, that's good because we're gonna be gone most of the day.
Yeah. So it worked out. I'm so grateful that we have the whole day because
I know, that wasted like
30 minutes.
Almost.
Yeah, it's 12:07. This guy's like basically the road.
This is a little, it's a tight spot.
Yeah. Everybody that drives by.
154, is it this one?
Yeah. You like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're gonna need to level out for sure.
Okay.
Should I tackle that now?
Sure. Nice.
Gosh.
Thanks. I gave you peanut butter. Come on, it's right there.
Just a little taste. recording this one.
Alright, just drive past it though.
Yeah, we won't stop. It's too close.
Yeah. This is exciting. I was hoping this was gonna happen today. Don't go too fast, Brian. I gotta be able to look at it. Oh my god, so cool! Oh my god! Look at me out longer! Oh yeah, we're up here. Wouldn't have wanted to take Marty up here as well. We just got done with the upper loop and it was so epic. This is exactly why we do this life and why we have Mojave, because we saw so many bison, one even on the road, and then we saw elk so close to us. Did you see anything else? I mean, obviously hot springs too, but we had a blast and it was so worth it. Woo! They're here again! They've moved a little bit. I think they were over by that tree, and now they're there. Brazen. Just got back from an epic ride that was probably 5 to 6 hours long on Mojave, and dear Lord, our asses are sore, our necks are sore from our helmets, but it was entirely worth it and epic. It was so much fun exploring the upper loop of Yellowstone National Park by motorcycle. If you're thinking about doing this trip, I would highly recommend it. Just make sure you have ample time to stop everywhere. And yeah, I mean, we had such a fun time and we're so glad we're able to bring you with us. So if you could take a second and like and subscribe as usual, and also if you could help support us on Patreon, we'd really appreciate that. The link is in the description, and we'll see you again next Sunday. Hello! Hello, Kona! Kona! Were you a good girl? Were you a good girl? I bet you were. I bet you were. Good girl, Kona.